Hey, it's me, Rob, and this morning I'm at Universal's City Walk to address some rumors. So come hang out, I'll show you some stuff. I don't know if y'all have heard, but Universal has officially confirmed the Quiet Flight Surf Shop will be closing permanently on April 15th. Also, the current Cinnabon location within City Walk is going to be closing just a few days later on April 29th. Universal says official details on what will be replacing those two locations is going to be announced soon, but that has not stopped online rumors. The word online suggests we're going to be getting a Super Nintendo World retail location. Work, as you know, has already started on the nearby Universal Epic Universe Preview Center, which is replacing the former Universal Legacy store. New construction is expected on the shops near the front of City Walk as well. The current spaces occupied by the Quiet Flight Surf Shop and Cinnabon locations will be getting totally gutted and combined with the Universal Studios store. That's what they're saying online anyways. I'm here in the area that currently holds the Cinnabon is going to be the home for the new Super Nintendo World merchandise. And Cinnabon is also rumored to be getting a new kiosk somewhere else within City Walk, so it might not be gone forever. But don't forget, there is a service window in Islands of Adventure. So what I'm seeing online is predictions that the Cinnabon is going to be opened up to connect to the left side of the existing Universal Studios store, and the right side is going to be open to connect to the former surf shop space. Rumors suggest we're also going to be losing the surfboard photo op once the shop closes, but there's hopes we're going to be getting a Super Nintendo World photo op to replace it. As for the Quiet Flight Surf Shop retail space, it's also expected to be connected to the Universal Studios store, so it should be like a full loop inside of the building. Initial rumors for this space had it transformed into a Universal run candy shop and butterbeer bar, but these are only rumors and have not been confirmed by the company. The current candy section of the Universal Studios store is quite small, so if this is true, it would give them a chance to offer more sweets to guests. So it's that way to parking and security. Here's the movie theater. This is the Quiet Flight Surf Shop right here. It's going to be closing on the 16th of April. They're talking about this being connected on both the left and right side, so it'd be a big loop in here. And that this is potentially where they're going to have the new candy shop and butterbeer bar. So I believe that the exit into the current studio store would be somewhere over on this side of the wall. And then where it would go into what they're thinking is going to be the new Super Nintendo World merchandise area would be somewhere around here. Okay, so here's the kind of the first entrance you see to come into the current Universal Studios store. This wall here with the Hello Kitty stuff and the SpongeBob, all the like kind of stuffed animals or whatever the word for those things is. This is where they think that the entrance into the rumored to be new Super Nintendo World merchandise area is going to be. This is the current area for like the suites in this store. Like I was saying earlier, it is pretty small. There's just like one wall, a couple of freestanding fixtures in the middle here with some candy bars and some chocolate. So there's definitely room to improve on the candy selections. They do have some more like Birdie Bites every flavored beans and stuff over here in the Harry Potter area. You know, chocolate frogs and stuff like that. And then this is where they think the entrance into the butterbeer bar and candy shop is going to be, where it will connect here to the already existing Harry Potter area of the Universal Studios store. I think I would be most excited for the butterbeer bar. That seems like kind of the coolest rumor. I don't know for sure what's going to happen. None of us really do, but there's a lot of speculation online that that's what's going to be happening here at City Walk. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time.